Yo, what's up everyone? Before we get into the video, I really encourage you to go check out the new Minecraft parody that I just posted. I'll have it linked in the description, and it'll be linked in the pinned comment. First, open Synapse, and scroll down until you see Macro. If you don't see Macro, go to Modules right here, and it should be here, and you can click Add. Once you've done that, you can go back to Dashboard, and then click on Macro. Once you're right here on this screen, then you want to go over here, top left, and click this plus thing. This will make a new macro. So now that you've made this, what you want to do is click insert and then click keystroke and just do it twice like that. And make sure the arrows are pointing in this direction, one down and one up. And then once you've done that, you want to head over keystroke here and make this one W and make this one S. Once you've done that, you're going to want to put a 0.1 second delay here. Just make them all a 0.1 second delay. Once you've done that, you're pretty much done with that part. So just go up here in the top right and click this plus right here. You can bind it to your keyboard or your mouse or whatever you have. So for example, I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to bind it to some button on my keyboard. So for example, I'm going to bind it to this. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to go over here and click toggle continuous playback. Once you've done that, click save, and then you're done. That's pretty much all you have to do. Yeah, if you want to go all out, you can do A and D keys too, so you're moving in all directions, but you don't really need to do that. So for example, I'm going to go into Minecraft here. Once you click it, it should look like this. So this is great for not getting AFK kicked from a game that you want to stay in, and it's also great because you stay in the same spot. If you guys found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. And I wasn't going to be that guy, but literally 1% of you guys are subscribed. So please subscribe, and please check out the new Minecraft parody that I just posted. If you're having any issues with this, you can join my Discord server, which will be linked in the description. That's it, thank you for watching.
Whip it strider. Blazes looking kinda fire. Find me growing up, my tree's too bad, I'm in the nether. Wear a golden crown like how the notches make me better. Dodge a witch's pots, now she brewed another. Hey evoker, how many chicken can we fit in the smoke?